Today I am here to talk something very important and something very like so necessary for our society. It's a topic I choose because I am so passionate about it and I love this topic, and I think this topic need Indian youth need topic the most, and like every people on this planet needs this topic most. And this topic is health and fitness. So guys, today I'm going to talk about importance of health and fitness in India. So if we look on like see everybody, and so like we see like everybody seems same, but nobody knows what's going inside, like in your side. Somebody feel uneasy, someone feel like lazy and sleepy, some feel underconfident, and some also feel like their mind somewhere else. They pretend to like attend, like give attention here, but they think somewhere else. Maybe they think about food, or like their pending work or something else. But guys, this thing seems normal in our daily life because we don't think about this much. But guys, this is the signal your body gives you, because your body is like a machine. It give you signal when there's something isn't right inside. Like it's like a mobile phone, you getting notification, like when battery is low and it's overheating, it get you notification. Similarly our body also like give you a notification in a form of anxiety, like underconfidence, or leg shaking when you stand up for speaking, or your tongue like don't move freely while speaking, and also sleepy while in class. So that's not normal thing. Uh, it's a sign of a like you don't move your body enough, and your body demand to move your body. And to prove this point, I want to tell a personal story of mine. So in early days when I joined Indo America, I noticed a similar very strange pattern about me. Like on the days when I went to like institute, by doing after a little running and taking my lemon drink, I feel so like different. Like I feel very confident, and I can speak very fluently, and there is I don't feel any like I don't feel any fear when sir like ask me, Sahil, stand and speak. I speak very clearly and accurately because my mind also work very like sharp. And on guys, I want to tell you the someday when I miss my running, I woke up late. That's why I don't go for running. So I go there and see, I feel very fear. I don't even able to focus what sir saying to me. And when I sometime he stand me and my leg starts shaking like this. And I don't I think sir don't, please don't stand up me today. And because of that I feel lazy and less energy on that day. And at that time I think it's just imagination in my head. But until I read something very amazing online. It's about Swami Vivekananda. Because uh, it's a story when he is traveling abroad, and a kid come to him and say, Swamiji, I want to learn Bhagavad Gita from you. And Swamiji smile and reply, son, okay son, I will teach you first, but first go play football and then come after me, I will teach you. Then the kid get confused, why, and shocked. He asked Swamiji, okay, I will do whatever you will say, but I want to know what the connection between learning and playing football. Then Swamiji again explained him very calmly, and his explanation, his reply is so simple but powerful. He say, son, listen, if you want to learn Bhagavad Gita or anything, you need a fit mind. And a fit mind can only live in a fit body. You need to be physically active. And today's science has also proved this fact that if you move your body, your blood flow like move your through your full body regularly. And your brain, which is the main organ of your body, your brain get right amount of oxygen to work any like work, and work fluently and speak fluently. And your if your brain is get right amount of oxygen and water by blood, you can achieve anything you want, because brain is a very important and most important organ in the body. So that's why Swamiji tell him that go and run. And that's why I also want to today like say, we need as a Indian youth to make India a big like a high like a Vishwaguru. We need to make ourselves by physically and mentally very well, and that's where the exercise and physical activities plays a very important role. So uh, But most of the time I say people you should do exercise, and they slap a very kind of excuse on my face for not doing exercise. And these are so common uh, like excuses, like they say actually sir I don't have time to exercise, that's why. But we all know we have 24 hour, everybody have 24 hour. And if you love your body, you have to you have to manage 20 minutes from your 24-hour day, because it's a kind of a self love to your body, because it's God creation, and God give us responsibility to live our life by making our this tool very well, and by refining it daily. And it's like a you go for a mobile like bike, and you go to mechanic and he service it. It's daily, you need daily services for your tool which God give you.